14.3 grams of carbon dioxide is produced from a complete reaction between 37.5 grams of magnesium carbonate and phosphoric acid. What is the percent yield? So first we need to check that the equation is balanced, and then calculate the number of moles from the given quantities, which can be obtained by dividing the mass on the molar mass of the molecule, which you can obtain from the periodic table. And 3 moles of magnesium carbonate yields 3 moles of CO2, so converting this into a number of moles of CO2, which gives the same number of moles of CO2. Now to obtain a mass of CO2 that's produced, we multiply the number of moles by the molar mass of CO2. And this is called the theoretical yield. And the actual yield is given in the problem. So to obtain a percent yield of CO2, we divide the actual yield by the theoretical yield and multiply by 100%, which gives 73.1% using 3 significant figures, which is the least number given in the problem.